Welcome to HeART Workshop 4, providing artists with entrepreneurial competences so that they can make a business from their art. In this video, we will focus on some key issues that creative people need to know to cultivate your audience. Are you a young artist looking to cultivate your audience? Whether you're a visual artist, musician, or performer, building a fan base is crucial for your success. Here are some tips to help you cultivate your audience as a young artist. First, identify your unique style and voice. What sets you apart from other artists? Hone in on what makes your work special and use it to create a brand for yourself. Next, get involved in your local arts community. Attend art events, join art groups, and connect with other artists. These connections can lead to collaborations, opportunities, and a wider network of supporters. Social media is a powerful tool for artists to showcase their work and build a following. Choose the platforms that align with your art and use them consistently to engage with your audience. Don't be afraid to show your process and share behind-the-scenes glimpses into your art. Performances and exhibitions are key opportunities to connect with your audience. Consider partnering with local businesses, galleries, or music venues to showcase your work. Promote your events on social media and through your local arts community. Selling your art is another important way to cultivate your audience. Consider setting up an online shop, selling at markets or fairs, or partnering with local businesses to sell your work. Make sure your prices are fair and consistent, and always prioritize customer service. Finally, always show gratitude to your audience. Whether it's a simple thank you on social media or a personalized note to a supporter, expressing gratitude can go a long way in building a loyal fan base. Cultivating your audience as a young artist takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can build a community of supporters who appreciate and value your work. Stay authentic, stay engaged, and remember to always put your art and your audience first. Good luck. Well done. Now you are aware of how to cultivate your audience. For more information on HeART and how you can make a business from your art, why not check out the HeART Project workshops?